Hi, this is CAKS Krishnan. If you have not yet subscribed for my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. So in this video, we are going to see blueprint of CA final law, what you can expect in November 2020 examination. First, expect the unexpected. So what is that? Lengthy question paper, a huge question paper, lengthy question paper, very difficult to manage time. Mixing two chapters. For example, it may look like one chapter question, but it is from some other chapter. Simple, for example, if you see section 164, you can link it to section 188, correct? Related party transaction violation. So the question may be from related party transaction, but in the end there will be some violation, and they may ask what is the provision. So you have to think, yes, it is from 164 and not from 188. They may even give something else, and see, that's my prediction. Like, no, the question may look from one chapter, but it is from ultimately from another chapter. The question may look like NCLT chapter, it is from some other chapter, kind of. Okay. Or no, permission from NCLT, because various chapter, for example, compromise management, okay, minority, that is operation mismanagement, NCLT have to come into place. So they have to mix these chapters. That one. Second, they will cover almost all the chapters in 6 questions. Be sure. Next, sir, what I can expect in MCQ? So you have like integrated MCQ, then mini case MCQ, then straight MCQ. Integrated MCQ will be like a big, okay, case study. It will run into 1.5 pages, and they may have 5 subparts of 2 marks each, so 10 marks for the first case study. And the second big case study, which will be like 8 marks, 4 into 2 will be giving 8 marks. So it will look like a economic law 6D case study, kind of, but not that big, but little comparatively. Then they may ask you like 2 marks MCQ. How many? Like 3 MCQs with 2 marks and 6 MCQ with 1 mark they may ask. So put together 30 marks. So in MCQ itself, they will try to touch many chapters. Like big MCQ, they may ask from meetings, KMP, IBC, even the untouched chapter like Nidhi. Okay, so don't, you cannot leave any chapters. Please understand. They may ask in MCQ. Small case study MCQ they can easily pick up from IBC, FEMA, oppression, PMLA, compromise. It is very easy to pick up that small case study based MCQ. If you are having my descriptive question bank, because I have not written MCQ question bank separately, in descriptive question bank, if there is a small question, they may convert that into MCQ. See, rest assured, all the questions at least for 70 or marks out of 100 marks will come from our question bank only. Just believe me and go for the question bank. Then descriptive questions 70 marks break up. So totally 6 question, that is 84 marks, and you have to write 5 questions for 70 marks. So 14 marks each question, and one question can be in choice. So high weightage should be given for meetings, directors, KMPs, and in economic law, PMLA has a huge weightage, and obviously IBC. It's a separate weightage. Then how you can expect the question? So question will have like A, B. So only 2 subparts basically, but the A and B will have a subparts. So they may ask like 1A, 1A, 2 kind of. Okay. Then so high chance of asking so many questions. See, basically you have to write only 10 questions, correct? Because 5 into AB, that is 2, and A will come 8 marks and B will come for 6 marks. So basically you have to write only 10 questions, but you may end up in writing somewhere around 14 questions. Okay. Then so sir, how the mix will be? If one question is from meetings, another question is made from FCRA. So corporate law and economic law will get mingled. So you cannot leave economic law and go for examination. For example, sir, I don't want to study FEMA, I don't want to study SEBI. Can I leave and go? SEBI will be asked with directors, FEMA will be asked with the compromise management or winding up, or with some other investigation chapter. if luck favors you, I will tell you, if luck favors you, in compulsory question you may get directors meetings, KMP or IBC, which you are thorough. Generally everyone will be thorough in this. And IBC question, if it's from RTP and MTP, it's a laddu for you. But if they are going to ask a new IBC question, then you are screwed. And winding up, many people will believe in choice. I don't prefer that. At least read few provisions in winding up, like no preferential payments, okay, overriding preferential payments, onerous property, then so preferential, overriding preferential, onerous property, then what are the modes of winding up, and that weeks, that number of days and weeks are there, no, okay, that and all there for IBC, all those, that days is very important in IBC, okay. Then expect very less questions from penalty, okay. Sir, penalties from which chapter I have to study? FEMA, obviously you have to study penalties. SEBI, you have to study penalties. Sir, FEMA, what is there in the penalty? Quantifiable, non-quantifiable, all those things. SEBI, that brokers, how they will cheat you, what kind of penalty, okay, that 1 lakh to 1 crore, 5 times, 25 crores or 3 times of the profit booked, all those things. Foreign company at 50,000, 3 lakhs, okay, those penalties. Then offenses and penalties chapter, that fraud kind of penalties. So at least study these penalties and go. In-depth knowledge is not required in SCRA, arbitration, FCRA, okay. So at least study just and go. SCRA penalties is important. SCRA you can study penalty, because CB and SCRA almost same penalties will come. See, I will tell you, in economic law chapter, if you are not thorough, be at least know familiar questions like past examination question, RTP, MTP question, at least you please study and go. IBC, try to be thorough. If it comes from past examination, okay, you are safe, otherwise you are gone, okay. So with this we completed analysis. Kindly comment, kindly comment, I'm telling you again, kindly comment, only then I'll be able to know understand what your thinking is, etc. For once this video touches somewhere around 600 to 700 views, we can also go for old syllabus tomorrow morning. Thank you so much.